that the rate of Singaporean will go up. So they would be needing more dollars to convert to 1 million Singaporean dollars. They still need 1 million Singaporean dollars, but if the rate goes up, then they would be converting more dollars for 1 million Singaporean currency. This is called exchange rate risk. So let's see that. It can buy, which means right now, spot rate, immediately. It can buy Singaporean dollar for immediate delivery at spot rate 0.5. If they need to buy right now, the right now rate is 1 Singaporean dollar is equal to 0.5 dollar. All right. At this spot rate, the firm need to pay $500,000. All right. The firm need to buy 1 million Singaporean dollar at 5,000. What does it mean? It means the US importer will convert their 0.5 million or 500,000 into 1 million. Give to the Singaporean factory for the import, and they will send the goods. But this is at point immediate, right now here. So Singaporean firm will be sending the goods. The time period is 90 days. And you will send this amount after 90 days. So this arrangement is, or this scenario is right now if you are here at this point. If the Singaporean firm immediately transfer you the goods and you transfer the money, it will take $500,000, which means 1 Singaporean dollar is equal to $0.5. Okay, this is at 0.0. At 0.0, $1 is equal to 0.5 Singaporean. Okay, 1 Singaporean dollar is $0.5. But this transaction is going to take place after 90 days. This scenario is not valid, right? So their biggest worry is that what if the price of the Singaporean dollar goes up? Then they need to pay more dollars for 1 million Singaporean dollars. Let's see that. So right now at the spot rate, they would be needing $500,000. However, it does not have the funds right now to exchange for Singaporean dollars. So what will they do? It could wait for 90 days. They have two options. It could wait for 90 days and then gather the money. And then after 90 days, when they have this 1 million equivalent amount of US dollar, then they will send it to Singaporean firm. So scenario 1. If the rate rises to 0.6 after 90 days, then they would be needing, it means 1 Singaporean dollar is equal to now, after 90 days, $0.6. So how much dollar they would be needing? So when they enter into the contract, they would be needing 500,000. And after 90 days, if the price is 0.6 Singaporean dollar, $6, $0.6 to a Singaporean dollar, then they would be needing extra $100,000, which is a huge amount. All right. So they would be very worried about the exchange rate risk. So this is called exchange rate risk. So after 90 days, what will happen? maybe the price will go up, but price can also go down, right? What if the price goes down to 0.43 instead of previous price was 0.5? Previous price was 0.5. If the price goes down, they would be needing how many? $470,000 or 1 million Singaporean dollar. It means they would be saving $30,000. Now you need to decide whether a loss of 100,000 is okay or whether a profit of 30,000 is okay. So you need to decide compared to a loss of 100,000 as compared to the loss of saving of 30,000. So which one is greater, loss or savings? Of course,
Loss.
so you would be very worried about exchange rate risk. Exchange rate risk gonna be in your favor. When it is in your favor, you will save only 30,000. When it is against you, you will be losing $100,000. So it's better to go into this contract, and say, look, after 90 days, I would be paying you 1 Singaporean dollar is equal to $0.5, 90 days. So that would be my forward rate. And after 90 days, whatever is in the market is 0.47 or 0.60, 0.65 or 0.40. What would be in the market, I don't have to concern about this. I am buying from Singaporean firm for 90 days, and my job is to convert my raw material into finished good and send it to me. I have no concern with the currency market. So it's better to avoid exposure to exchange rate risk. The traders can lock in the rate. It will pay for Singaporean dollar from now without having to exchange rate dollar to exchange dollar for Singaporean dollar immediately. Right? Rather, immediately you convert the dollar, then keep it with yourself because you don't have the cash right now. The cash will come to you after 90 days, and then you will be converting your dollar into Singaporean dollar. So it's better to have a contract. Which contract? Forward contract. And here you are at 0.0. Time is 90 days. Forward rate, for example, if you given the rate, 1 Singaporean dollar is equal to $0.50. If you have given the rate, that would be good. So you will be very less. So you will set aside $500,000. You will be receiving after 90 days 1 million Singaporean dollars, and you give it to Singaporean firm. You will receive the goods, and your trade is okay. So you lock the rate at forward rate. So in this case, who you are? Buyer of forward contract. Understand, guys? Let me ask. Thara and Meena, you understand?
Yes, understood.
Yes, sir. All good. Thank you.
DD, DGA, okay, Lancelot, Rugia.
Yes.
Yes.
Good, good. Tiffany, you understand now?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, number 2, the uses of forward contract, bid-ask spread. All right, or bid-ask spread. So the bid-ask spread, or the spread between bid and ask prices, is wider for forward rates of currencies of developing countries. For example, Chile, Mexico, South Korea, Taiwan, Thailand. All right. So if you are dealing with these countries, then you may not find their countries' currencies very often. All right, because they are less liquid currencies, right? When they are less liquid currencies, their bid and ask spread is going to be higher. All right. So for example, if you need 1 million Chilean pesos and you go to the market, maybe nobody has it, 1 million, maybe they have 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, and it would take a great deal of time for you guys to reach up to 1 million. Somebody has 500 Chilean pesos, somebody has 1,000, somebody has 50,000, somebody has 100,000. So you need to gather to. It takes time. Plus, these are illiquid currencies or less liquid currencies. So most of the, you can say, agents in the foreign exchange, maybe they don't have it, right? So you go to the bank and you will say that, okay, look, I don't worry about currency. That is your job. I enter into a contract with you, a forward contract with the bank. Now it is your job to find me this currency, 1 million Chilean pesos. Then my worry is now over. I'm a businessman, I'm a factory owner, or I'm a manager operation in this company. I would be concerned about the raw material. That's it. Sorry, guys. So I would be concerning about imports, and that's it. So you enter into a contract with the bank to gather for you the Chilean pesos, but at a specified rate, and that rate is going to be forward rate, so that bank will not violate or will not exploit you. Okay, when you enter into a contract with the bank, okay, I would be paying you $1, for example, 0.00005 Chilean peso, right? So it's now up to the bank. Bank at the end of the contract will find you or will give you 1 million pesos, and how much you have to pay? 1 peso. Oh, 1 peso is equal to 0.5. You just have to pay $50,000 for 1 million pesos, or maybe 5,000. Yeah, $5,000. All right. Okay. So guys, you understand? Okay, now, because second point is, now because these markets have relatively few orders for forward contracts, banks are less able to match up winning buyers and sellers. Why? Because somebody wants to sell you at higher price, somebody wants to sell you at lower price. So it is illiquid market. Every bank or every